Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this install, fully glueless, just only gotta be. And this hair came like this. This hair's from UNice Hair, UNice, you know what I'm talking about. So let's get into this install. Today's hair is from UNice, UNice. You know what I'm talking about. It's from them, and it's a pre-highlighted 13x4. It's not transparent lace. They said it's like a light brown, but it's light enough for me. I want to call it a transparent, but they said it's not, so I'm not gonna call it that. But it's pretty light. Flat ironed it and I straightened it. It did come ready to wear. I did pluck it just a little bit, but it really did come like I can just throw this bad boy on and call it a day. If you watched my get ready with me for this video, with this makeup look on, and if you haven't watched it, there'll be a card right here or right here. I'm not sure what side it's on. I will know one day. Don't know today. If you watched that, you probably thought my hair was on the whole time, but it wasn't. I'm gonna spray a little bit of the even tinted lace spray on the lace. I plucked it just a little bit, but it did come like ready to go. But this looks really good. I worked out one day this week and literally my arms are like on fire. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pin back the hair so I can go ahead and start spraying the gotta be on my lace. I'm gonna wait till the hairspray is blow dried on to cut off my ear tabs and like focus on getting those down. For now, I'm just gonna focus on this section of it. So I get a lot of questions, and I always have my blow dryer on a cool setting at the highest fan when I do this. So always cool setting. I'm gonna get in the spray the gotta be on the lace and pressing it down with a comb like this or my finger, and then I'll come back when I'm ready to razor her off. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my hair into some sections so I can go ahead and razor off the excess lace. So now I'm just going to go ahead and just start razoring off. I'm going to try to pull it up from the... Nah, never mind. Okay. Ignore me. And then it's going to look a little ashy right now, but don't worry. We're going to fix it. So now that I have these little pieces flopping around, I'm going to go ahead and use my rat tail comb to just make sure that's where it's going. I mean, this wig like fits my head. So, again, my big head girls, I'm not sure if this is for you. I don't know if when you get a bigger size wig cap, if your frontal is longer. But like this frontal like literally stops right where I need it to go. So like thankfully I can fit it. But like I don't know how that works for the big head girls. One time for the big head girls. So now that we're on, I'm going to go ahead and tuck this rest of my hair behind my ear so I can get to blow drying down the white pieces and just make sure everything is melting. Same shit now, but I would recommend that you spray the spray before putting the blow. Like, I don't know, sometimes I have the blow dryer just going off while I'm doing this and it can get the spray everywhere. But now the spray is like you see how the spray took off my makeup right here? Like the spray will start doing its thing. I don't know, it's gonna start removing stuff, sticking to stuff. It's just best that you make sure the spray goes where it needs to go. And with your finger, you can kind of like guide where you want the spray to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and go back to using my blow dryer on a cool setting and just making sure that everything is just nice and melted. Okay, so my hair is on and it's looking okay, but I think I'm just gonna throw on this scarf that I had on earlier. I'm just gonna let that sit for a couple seconds while I go take care of my outfit and such and finish up my makeup, and then I'll be back with the finished look. I don't know if I'm gonna add baby hairs yet or not, but I probably will add like a little swoop on the side, but it'll be something quick, something cool, something fun, you know? I'm using a silk scarf because I think I noticed that with just Gotta Be spray, the elastic band doesn't really like do its job as good as it does when I just have like glue and a little bit of spray. So I think satin scarves are better in this way. I don't know, I'm trying to see different things right now. I changed my shirt and I will have a full get ready with me on this whole look, so don't worry about that. But move my camera over. Hey. So here's the side of baby hair that I did. You know, nothing major, it's a little swoop. And I pushed the hair back a little bit so I could give it more of a, I don't know what that means, but you feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and just start by combing out kind of the spray. When you spray it, it does get your hair kind of hard. And I think I forget to mention that in some of my videos, but here I am to tell you that this does kind of make your hair hard. But it's something that if you comb through won't fix. And then also if you just put your hand like right where the lace is, you'll be fine. I'll take a little bit of gel. I'm using my wet line. A lot of you guys are tagging me on Instagram if you guys buying this. It just makes me so happy. Like, I don't mind you guys buying this without my coin, but these lashes, bitch. Some guys are going to me, but maybe I'll have a link to the wet line as well. I'm about to link up everything now. Link. Yeah, back to my baby hairs. I just kind of grab them out by themselves first and then get that whole shape going. And I just like my baby hairs going back into each other, going back into the hair. I don't know why I'm explaining this. I usually just let this play through, but I feel like talking. Yeah, y'all wouldn't have knew this if I didn't talk about it, but let me talk about it real quick. We're gonna get into it. I like to just pull a few select hairs, and that'll make the front of mine. That is not a few select hairs. Get back here. And that'll make the front of my baby hair so it's not all so thick. I used to cut my baby hairs, but I realized that I don't like that anymore. This girl commented, y'all ever notice how her baby hair be fucked up and then she come back with them all good? Well, sis, it takes forever for me to do this. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. But really, it does take me forever to do my baby hair usually. I don't know why I'm kind of speeding through this right now because I feel like I have something to prove since she said that. I don't know. I just be like trying to edit out the most annoying parts. Like, when I'm editing, it's like this over and over again. I don't even know if like what's the good part, but. So I'm sorry for lying to y'all, I guess. I don't know why I'm challenging myself like this. We were just here to do some hair. Like, it's okay. Oh, my bad. Did y'all say something? Because I didn't hear nothing. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this Style Factor Edge Booster and just like a little bit. I'm going to mix that in with my gel, and that's just going to make sure that all these hairs are pushed back. And I'm just going to make sure that I push those hair back because it just gives it a more natural look. I'm going to finish off my parting space by adding a little bit of this Easy Edges Edge Control Stick. And just getting down some of these flyaways. My comb isn't plugged up, and I really don't feel like plugging it up. But my flat iron is, I'm gonna use my flat iron. If you don't got no hot comb, this is what you do. You make a flat iron go sideways and just go ahead and press it on. Flyaways who? Using my LA Colors concealer, and I'm just gonna go along the line. Here's what we're looking like now. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup and then come back to say my final thoughts, and I guess be back in 2 seconds or 1 second. It's literally 1 second. I don't know why I always say that. I don't know why I burped in my. Stop talking. Shit. I'll be back. My hair's all finished. Here's what we're looking like. I didn't add any like sideburn baby hair. I thought this looked really natural. So this is what I got. We're all finished. All the info for this hair will be in the description box. Super soft. I washed it and flat ironed it, and it just looks so good. Like, you see it. For this coming like how it came, it looks really good. Like, even like the gradient on it don't even look that bad. Yeah, all the info for this hair will be in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful. I'm so in